Hello viewers, this is a timeless reading for the viewers whose name starts with letter A, male. This reading has been done in terms of the relationship. So let's see what card has been drawn for letter A today and those who are male. So the first card which I have is a Three of Swords. So it shows heartbreak, betrayal, emotional pain. But luckily the second card what we got is of the Star. Now the Star always come up with the hope, healing, faith and emotional renewal. The third card which has been drawn is of Nine of Wands. Now Nine of Wands also shows and talk about the emotional exhaustion. The all over energy, we got it for the Emperor, and the Emperor is a very strong and powerful card. So let's see what all cards talk about. The Emperor also talk about the control, structure, authority and stability also. So all over energy is very good. And let's see what cards are saying right now, starting with the Three of Swords. Now Three of Swords indicates past or current pain or emotional pain. You can say possibly you might have a breakup, or your partner had a talk with you in a harsh term, some hard words has been used. Maybe it's due to some misunderstanding, some emotional distances you can say, or maybe due to some third party involvement. So let's moving to the card. What I'm very hopeful is the Star, because the Star is a very beautiful healing card. It shows a hope despite whatever has been done due to any of XYZ reasons. This Star card shows that there is a hope despite of the pain you might have faced. So there is again there is a possibility of a renewal or rebuild of your relationship. So this can be done through forgiveness also. The Nine of Wands shows some of who means you might be tired because of all the things had happened with you. You might not be feeling good about it. But still you are hopeful. You are not ready to give up. This is the best part. You may be guarding your heart, that you still feel that there is some strength is left in your relationship, so you are just holding it tightly. Where we see the Emperor card is a dominant energy, so it suggests that the relationship is heavily influenced and controlled, or you can say ruled by some traditional rules or something. Maybe your partner is emotionally reserved, or you can say she might be rigid in her own way of thinking. But still there is a possibility of positivity, I can say, because the Emperor shows that there is a potential to create a structure or a long term stability. What all you need is a emotional openness in your relationship. So if I see the complete spread of the cards, so there is, again I can understand that you guys have might faced a lot of things, but still there is a hope, and in fact you want to guard your relationship, and there is again a strength and there is a potential in your relationship. So just have an open talk with your partner, and emotional whatever the problem or differences or misunderstandings was there, just try to clear it out, right? So best of luck, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.